Cool. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing okay. This is part 2 of our weekly Forex basic training. Forex basic training, guys. Every Sunday, what we're going to be doing is just coming together, and all we're going to be covering is the basics. Guys, Forex basics is so important. It is so vital that we really understand the basics. So many people want to rush and start trading live without covering the fundamentals. But it's like the man who built his house on the sand. When the winds and the sea comes, it would just take the house down. But if you're able to really understand the basics, it's like you building your house on the rock. So today we're going to be consolidating our knowledge. We're going to be just recapping what we did last week. For those who have joined new, welcome. And for those who I was here last week, we're going to continue. Now, if you were here last week, I want you to put a number 1 in the box. Guys, for those of you who are new, there's going to be a lot of interaction. So find where your chat box is and put a lot of interactions in. So if you are new, put a number 1. If you if you were here last week, number 1. If you are new, number 2. So last week equals 1, new equals 2. So let's see how many ones we got. Got quite a few ones. Not everybody's answering. I'm waiting for everyone to answer in the chat. Marlon said he watched the video. So this is like 2. Yep, I got your response, Mr. Keys. Excellent, 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 excellent. So guys, the prerequisite for this is basics 1 to 4. It's so important, yeah, that we keep going over basics 1 to 4 until we really understand what is it that we're doing. It's very, very important. If it was down to me, you won't even be able to open up a live account until you are able to have completed basics 1 to 4 3 times to really understand what it is that we're doing, yeah? So by the end of this call, basics call, what I want us to do is understand basics 1 to 4, open a demo account, know how to place the swipe trades. I'm gonna go over a strategy with the harmonic scanner. Yeah, that is the plan for today. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go over again basics 1 to 4 very, very quickly so that we can understand, make sure that we are all on the same page. Yeah. So question number 1. This goes for everybody. Everyone, I see the regulars. I see the dons in the building. The ladies and the gents. Nice, nice. So question number 1, guys. Like I said, this is very interactive. So the quicker we all go through the questions, the more we can move over to the strategies, yeah? But I just want to make sure that everyone's on the same page. Once I see someone's not on the same page, I make sure that I go over it. That's the learning style that we have here. Number 1, what is the Forex? What is the Forex? I need everyone to answer. If I see you on a call and I don't get an answer for you, we're going to wait for you to answer. Okay? The answers are coming in. Still waiting for everyone to answer. Okay. Answers coming in. All right, excellent. The majority of you guys said the foreign exchange. So what is exchanged? What is exchanged in this market? Excellent, 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 excellent. Bonus question, bonus question. How much is this industry worth a day? How much is this industry worth a day? Okay, cool. We all got it right in terms of trillion. Obviously, it's a varied number because it's obviously an average. Yeah, so anything above 5.3 trillion is correct. Anything above 5.3 trillion. All right. Another question that we covered last week. How many sessions does the Forex have and what are the sessions? How many sessions does the Forex have and what are the sessions? Let me see who hasn't been answering so I can put them on blast. Whoever that hasn't answered, I'm going to ask you a question specifically. So how many sessions are there and what are the sessions? Someone said Chicago. All right. The sessions, there are 4 sessions. Yeah. Guys, make sure you're taking notes. There are 4 sessions. Yeah. You have Sydney. Yeah. Tokyo. London. New York. 4 sessions. Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. What is the most liquid session? The most liquid session where you see a lot of movement, which is the most liquid and the largest session in the Forex? I see London. I see New York. Between New York and London. The most liquid session out of the 4 is the London session. The London session, which the majority of you got right. Yeah, I'm saying. Some of you said the London to New York overlap. That's when they say is the best time to trade. But the most liquid session out of all 4 of them is the London session. Yeah? Is the London session. Excellent. Cool. We're moving on very, very quickly. Next question. We covered it last week. What is a pip? What is a pip? I see people getting bonus points, putting the time of the London session and that. Excellent. What is a pip? Okay. I see the answers coming in. Someone said they can't hear me. Can you guys hear me? I know sometimes my laptop acts up. Yeah. All right. I'm seeing some very good answers. All right. So PIP, yeah, stands for points in percentage. Yeah. It's the unit of measurement that price is measured in. Yeah. Just like time is measured in seconds, price is measured in pips. Yeah. Price, there's different definitions, yeah, I'm saying, that you can get of a PIP, PIP. But you're all correct. I see the sum there. But it's what price is measured in. Price moves in pips. It doesn't move in £1, £2, £3. It moves in pip. 1 pip, 2 pip, 3 pip. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to catch pips. Yeah. That is what trading is. Yeah. Trying to catch pips. I hope everyone is clear so far, especially those who have come new, who have gone over basics 1 to 4. I hope you're clear so far. The Forex is short for foreign exchange. It's simply a market where currencies are traded globally. Yeah, there's 4 sessions. You have the Sydney, you have the Tokyo, you have London, you have New York. The most liquid session is the London session. That's where price moves the greatest out of all 4 of the sessions. Price moves in pips. Pips is a unit of measurement. And again, like you said, is the fourth decimal place when it comes to all the major currencies. But as Chicks correctly said, the JPY pairs then is the second. Come on, guys, you guys are studying. Excellent. You guys know what I'm talking about. Fantastic. Cool. Another question that is good to good is, what is a leverage? When we talk about leverage, what are we talking about? Leverage. When we talk about leverage. So what is a leverage? Give you a clue. Leverage is what the brokers give you. So in your basic terms, I don't want us to get technical. Basically, what is leverage? Good answers. Good answers. Let me see who hasn't been answering, who I see on the call. As they come in. Who do we have on the call today? We have Marlon. We've got Asha D in the building. We have Philip. We've got Bernard, Dennis, Sarah, Stephanie, April, Maureen, Andrew, Benjamin, Mike, Melissa, Sandra, Simon, Mr. Keys, Sylvia, BJ, DSG, Drayden, Paulina, Sean, there's a foreigner, S682459, an imposter. Barry and Eddie, Wills, Keisha, Eva, Louise, Michael, Tashan. Cool. All right. So what do we have here? Excellent. Good answers. Good answers. We've got a leverage. What the broker gives you, borrowed money to trade with. Excellent. The amount the borrower gives you. Leverage is borrowed money. Debt to acquire assets. Jeez, we've got technical terms there. A strategy allows you to borrow. All right, excellent. Value of your trading account. A loan, lending you money. Exactly, guys, correct. All of these are correct answers. What this is money that the broker gives you in order for you to place a trade. You know what I'm saying? So the higher the leverage, the more money they give you for you to place larger trades. So I break it down like a deposit on a house. Depending on your income, the bank will allow you to give smaller money for a larger house. So if you are an expert trader, what the broker says is you can put in, let's say 1 to 500. For every £1 you put in, the broker will give you 500. So we know why it's good. A large leverage allows you to place larger trades. But how can large leverage also be risky or dangerous? How can a large leverage also be risky or dangerous? Okay, could potentially blow your account. You can lose it all. If you lose, you have to pay it back. So you're in debt. So with that one, what the broker is, they will take you out before you go into minus. So you want essentially be in debt as well as making money. You can put in a loss. You're risking a large amount of the money to lose. If your trade goes wrong, you can blow your account 100%. Because it's like, for example, the bank gives you a 5% mortgage on $1 million house. If the house loses its equity, you will be in trouble. You would owe much more. Yeah, I'm saying. It goes both ways. Either win more or lose more. Correct. The larger the leverage, the higher the risk and the higher the reward. Exactly. That sums it up. The larger the leverage, the higher the risk and the higher reward. Goes both ways. Excellent, guys. So far, if you have any questions, please ask the question. There's no dumb question. That's why I've made it so that only I see the questions. Yeah. So when I answer the question, I answer it on behalf of everybody. Make sure that you understand up until where we're at right now. Yeah. If you don't understand, don't allow me to go forward. Why? Because you're not going to get it and you're not going to make money. Guys, we're here for financial freedom. If you don't get what I'm saying right now, ask me any question and I will answer it. Yeah, it's very, very important because until we fully understand basics 1 to 4, we're not going to be able to kill the strategies. Yeah, I've been asked to repeat it. All right. So leverage is basically your broker borrowing you money in order for you to place trades. Because we said that 1 pip is 4 decimal places after the decimal place. So 4 decimal places. So let's just say it goes up by 1 pip. It's going to be 1.0001. 1 pip is 1.0002. 1.002 of a pound is hardly anything. So what the bank does or what the broker does is borrow us money so that we can place a higher trade so that the broker will take their money and leave us with the profit. Yeah? Yeah? So it's very, very important that we understand what pips are and what leverage is. So leverage, the higher the leverage, we can make more money because the broker will borrow us more money to place higher trades. But if it goes wrong, then it's very important. We can also blow our accounts very quickly. When we talk about blow our accounts, that's a term you'll normally hear. Blow your account means you lose all your money. That's blow your account. Yeah, which shouldn't happen if you have the right risk to reward ratio, which we're going to touch upon in a second. So is everybody good so far? Someone has said that we all respect one another. Every wrong answer is a step towards a correct one. Step towards success. We are all students. Chicks, thank you very much for that. It's very, very true. We're all students. We're all learning, yeah? So guys, if we're good so far, give me a number 1. If we understand so far, if we're good, give me a number 1. Excellent. I see ones in the building. Fantastic. So now we know what leverage is. Let's go over again what lots are. So what is a lot? When we talk about lot size, what do we mean? In the layman's terms. I don't want technical terms. I want layman's terms. We're kissing this. We're keeping it stupid simple. Yeah, I'm saying. Making it takes a genius to make something simple and a fool to complicate things. So what is lots? When we talk about lots, jeez. Putting it straight in there. I love that definition. I will let some people answer before I say it. More people answer. Yep, Stephanie, well done. If you don't know the answer, I still want you to respond. If you don't know the answer, just put a question mark, so I know that I need to go in over it. So don't just not respond. If you don't know the answer, just put a question mark and I will explain it. Okay. All right. Perfect. So when it comes to lot sizes, yeah, lot sizes is when we're talking about the risk to reward ratio. Yeah. So it's literally the value that you are placing on one pip. Guys, write it down. Polina, love that definition. Is the value that you, and Sean, right, the amount you pay per pip, exactly. The value or the amount you are placing on one pip, one movement, whether it's a buy or a sell, the value you are placing, yeah, on a pip. So price moves in pips. We are catching pips. The amount we make is the value that we put on a pip. So here are what the pips go, the lot sizes. We have 0.01 is the lowest lot size. The lowest value you can place on a pip is 0.01, which is what? How much is 0.01? Again, if you don't know, put question mark. Janet, I've made it so you can only message me. So no one can see it. I've actually intentionally done that. All right, correct. Majority of us got it right. 0.01 is 10p per pip. 10p per pip is 0.01. Yeah? So it's very, very important that we know that. 10p per pip. Then we have 0.1. 0.1 lot size is £1 per pip. Yeah? So what is 1.0 lot size? What is 1.0 lot size? Yeah? Correct. It's £10, $10, depending on the currency you're using per pip. So 0.01 is 10p per pip. Let me write it down. 0.01 equals 10p per pip. 0.1 equals £1 per pip. 1.0 equals £10 per pip. All right, a question is, still having problems with lot sizes. You asked how many lot sizes we will need or have when we have £50. Okay, so first of all, let's just understand, just so we're all clear, price moves in pips, yeah? Then we understand lot size is the value that we are placing on one pip, yeah? And it's very important. So £10 per pip sounds good, because if it moves 10 pips, we make £100. But why is it not good to have £10 per pip on a small account size? Why is it not good? If you don't know, put a question mark. £10 per pip is good. Because if we catch 10 pips, we get £100 just like that. But why is it not good to have a high lot size? Always use a high lot size. Excellent. Loving the answers, guys. So that we're getting it. I see could lose your money, not enough space for your money to move in, risk management, because if the trade goes wrong, you could lose your money, easier to blow your account, high risk, poor risk management, you could blow your account. If you lose 10 pips, that means you lose £100. Exactly. Yeah. So what we have to look at in every trade that we're going in, we ask ourselves, how much are we prepared to lose? Yeah. There's 3 rules, guys, to trading. Number 1, protect your money. That's number 1. Protect your money. Number 2, make money. Number 3, protect your money. Yeah? Only 3 rules. So you protect your money with your lot sizes. Yeah? Risk management. All right. So the question is the value per pip in US dollars, euros, or pound? So it depends on the currency of your broker. If your broker is in dollars, then the price per pip, your lot size will be in dollars. If your broker is in pounds, then your lot size will be in pounds. So it depends on your broker. So then the question is, what lot size should I use for which amount? I'm coming to show you. I'm coming to share my screen. Guys, copy this down. Take note of this. This is very important. Yeah. This is your lot sizes. How much you should. Yeah. Now, if you have 100 to 500 pounds in your account, or $100 to $500, your lot size should be 0.01. Maximum should be 0.05. Yeah. If you have $500 to $1,000 or $500 to £1,000, the minimum lot size you can look for, obviously the minimum you can still do 0.01, but don't pass the bracket. Don't go is 0.05 to 0.01, 0.10 mean, sorry. And if your account is 1,000 plus, that's when you will ever use a standard lot size, which is 1.00. Yeah, guys, write this down. It's very, very important that you write this down. Why? Because price can go up and down. Let's just say you've placed a buy. It's going to go down before it goes up. If your account is not big enough, when it goes down, it will blow your account and then go up. So risk management is very, very important. Yeah, did everyone get that? Has everybody copied that down? Take a screenshot. Let me share it again. Take a screenshot. Take a picture. Very, very important. Would you make $100 of 1.00 on 1 pip? Ask that question again. If you have any questions, make sure you ask as we move on. Okay, excellent. Now, just before we move on, we're talking about brokers. Does everybody have a broker in this chat? Does everybody have a broker? Has everybody opened a broker account? All right. If you haven't opened a broker, I'll send you a link which you can easily use to open up an account, a demo account. Yeah. But you can, to be honest, you can research your own broker. You know what I'm saying? But if you want me to recommend one, you can private message me and I can send you a link. But you can research your broker. And no, Hot Forex is also a broker. I'll just send you a link for those who want it. If you already got a broker, that's fine. But I'll just send you. You can also use the MetaTrader 4 for demo. To be honest, you can use a MetaTrader 4 for demo if you want, but you can also use an actual broker account for demo. I've just sent you a link here for those who want it. All right, perfect, yeah. All right, so when you are looking at the charts, yeah, when you're looking at the charts, you're using what you call UK Trading View. Trading View to look at your charts. So let me share my screen and show you. So here, tradingview.com. This allows you to look at the charts. Basically, this is price, GBP, JPY, yeah? Just to explain to you a question. This is the A-star question, yeah? When you have the currency in pairs, what does it mean? What does the first currency mean versus the second? So let me give you an example, yeah? We've got, let's say GBP USD equals 1.3892. So what does this mean? I've just sent it to everyone. So what does this mean? In layman's terms. Teresa, that's correct. Mr. Keys, that's correct. Stephanie, that's correct. Excellent. The majority of you have got it right. £1 equals 1.3892 USD. Yeah? So for every £1, the USD is the 1.3892. Which one is the base currency? Which one is the base currency? Yeah, the majority have it right. The base currency is GBP. The first one is the base currency. Yeah. So when we buy in pairs, so we're looking at what is the value when we're buying the Great British Pound versus the US dollar, is what is the value of the Great British Pound versus the US dollar. Yeah. So great. That's a good one to understand. So here's where we look at the charts. Here's an example. Let me do that example. GBP USD. Are we all familiar with this website, TradingView? Are we all familiar with TradingView? Okay. All right. So for those who are new to trading, it's technical analysis. Yeah, technical analysis. So this now, I'm pushing the boat out a little bit now. Yeah, it's technical analysis, i.e., literally, this is the global website that you can look at charts of what price is doing. The reason why we like to use TradingView is because it's easier to mark up and with different things on the laptop than the MetaTrader 4 app, yeah? So have a little play around with it. But what I would say, homework is technical analysis will give you an understanding of TradingView, yeah? So just so that I give an overview, this is the website, tradingview.com/charts. Obviously, if you're in the UK, you could put UK, but it's just TradingView. I'll put it in the group. I can send it to you so that you have it. If you don't know how to use it yet, don't worry. You'll soon know how to use it. This is the link to everybody. Can you download it from the Apple Store? Can you? I think you can. Let me find out. Can you download TradingView? Yeah. TradingView is also, you can download it as well. Yeah. Okay. Another question before we go on. What is a trend? I like that. I like it. Majority of people are talking about patterns, yeah? Patterns within the market, yeah? The flow of movement, I like it. Market going up or down, yeah, I'm saying the direction of the market, the way the market is going, I like it. That's a trend, yeah? So essentially, the market moves in trends, in patterns. That's why people ask, do you have to be good at maths? No, you have to be good at identifying trends. Yeah, I'm saying once we get this, guys, we're going to be printing money. We're going to be printing. So I'm excited for this team. Yeah. So let's give you an example. Let's look at this section. This section right here. Let's take this section right here. What trend is this? Actually, before I ask that question, don't answer yet. Hold on. There's 3 types of trends. What are the 3 trends? There are 3 types of trends. Well done, D. Well done, Polina. Mr. Keys. Mike. Grade 8 parole. Aaron. Uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. Yeah. So you got uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. So what is this? What is this? Excellent, excellent. Cool. What is that? What is this? All right. Majority put sideways trend consolidation. Right. Is it good or bad, or is it advisable to trend in consolidation? If yes, why? If no, why? So state your answer and give your reason. I like that. Someone said, Daisy Duncan said no. Dead market. If you're good enough, you can. So yeah. So if you've got a lot of experience, you can buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell very quickly. But it's not advisable to do it. But when you're a beginner, it's good to trend into trade in a trend. Yeah. All right, guys. We've got 15 more minutes. I want to at least give a strategy before we end today. Harder to predict, yeah. Unless we know basically the breakthrough. And that's a bit more technical. You know what I'm saying? But generally, no, we don't. Yeah. All right. What is support and resistance? Support and resistance. That's the beginning. In layman's terms, what is support and resistance? All right, support. Excellent. We're saying the floor and the ceiling. Yeah. The floor and the ceiling. Excellent. So guys, what we want here now, when we're placing trades, what we want is confirmations. We want confirmations, yeah? The more confirmations we have, the assured we can go into a trade. And we want to make sure that we stick to our confirmations, yeah? We stick to our confirmations. So it's very, very important that when we're marking up our graph, and you're going to learn how to do it as we continue to go through the IML Academy, is that we mark our support and resistance. Now, it is individual. Yeah, we're just looking everywhere. There's no definite area. The support and resistance is a zone. So we're looking at where bounce price struggled to break through. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to mark up a chart and then show you. Yeah. So here is Great British Pounds versus USD. Yeah. Great British Pounds versus USD. And this is on a monthly time. So these are the different candles. Every candle represents where price moved, yeah? And here are the different time frames. Where you click here represents what one candlestick means. So 1 month means that every candlestick represents 1 month in time. So this happened in 1 month, this happened in 1 month. When we go to 1 week, every candlestick is 1 week. All the way down to 1 minute. Every candlestick is 1 minute, yeah? So it depends what type of trade. When you want to mark up your graph, you always start, well, me personally, I always start on the highest candlesticks, which is the 1 month. Why? Because that shows me the strongest trend. The month, the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend is. Yeah? I hope you guys are still with me. So now, we're going to mark up our graph to see the support and resistance. So where were the areas where price reacted the same? Yeah. So first of all, what I always do first is always mark up the highest part of the graph. So I'm just drawing a rectangle showing that price has never been above this point here. Since the market opened in 1993 to 2018, price has never gone above this point, yeah? Then I always do the lowest point, yeah, is here, the wick of the candle. Again, since price opened, since the Forex market opened, price has never been below this point here, yeah? Do you guys get me so far? If you get me so far, put a number 1. I'm marking up support and resistance. If you get me, put a number 1. If you don't understand me so far, put a question mark. Excellent. Great. So now we spoke about support. Yeah. All right. So question, just so that you guys understand, what is this line here? I'm coming to name it. What should I put? This bottom line here, what would you say this is called? This bottom line here. Is this the support line or the resistance line? This line here. Answer the question. Is it support or resistance? All right. So the question was, how do I know that price has never gone past this line? It's because this is the whole price. This is the monthly chart. Price started here and is currently here. So this is me looking at the bird's eye view of price since it started. That's how I know it's never gone past there. Those of you who said this was called, if this was the support, you're right. Yeah? This is support, i.e. the floor. Yeah? And then therefore this is the resistance. i.e. the ceiling. Yeah. Excellent. So now we have done the major ones. We're going to look at the ones within the circle. So we're just looking at it. So where did price react? We can see one here. Yeah. Why did I put it here? Because you can see here, price touched it, dropped, touched it. The more price reacts to it is the better. It broke through, and where it was a ceiling resistance, it then became a support. Here, touched it, came down. So we can see that here is a major support and resistance line because there's been multiple touches, yeah, of support and resistance. Then you can look at another one here. Again, is another zone. Yeah. Again, we see here price struggled to break through, went up, struggled to break through. Yeah. We can place another one here. Another one here. Yeah, that's all I would do. Guys, you understand what I've done right here? You understand what I've done? Do you understand what I've done? We're literally using support and resistance to work out. Yeah. So once we do that, then we're going to put a trend line. Trend line. So we look, what's the current trend on the monthly chart? Who can answer that? This is a hard question. What is the current trend on the monthly chart? What is happening to price? Looking at the previous highs and lows. Let me know, where is price, the overall direction of price currently? All right, those of you who said it's going down, correct. We can see the current trend line for price is down. Yeah. So we can see price touched this here, trend line here. It's come down, hit the support, touch this, and it's going down. Yeah. So on the month chart, we can expect price to either retouch this and then go down, retouch and go down. Price can do that. It can go bam, 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 or it can just go bam. Yeah. So this is the month chart. This is the month chart. So then we go down to the week. When we go down to the week, we can put in some more support and resistance on a week time. Yeah. Or you can go down to maybe the day chart, and see what's happening. So you can see on the day chart, we see some more support and resistance that we can plug in. Yeah, we see one here. But what we do is we change the color. So we know which one. So this line, yeah. For those who are new, this may go over your head, but don't worry, you will get it. I'm just showing you, just for those who are a bit more advanced, yeah. So we can see price broke this resistance, has come to retest, so you can expect it to go down, yeah. Trying to keep up. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry. We'll help you out, yeah? So literally, let me stop on here on the month one, yeah, before going down, just so that you guys understand what I'm doing, yeah? So just to recap, we went on the highest time frame. We went on the highest time frame, yeah? We plant our support and resistance. We can see that price broke through, touched, and went down, yeah? 3 weeks ago, yeah, guys, just based on this, yeah? I want to show you how powerful support and resistance is. I identified that as a downward trend, yeah? So when it was around here, I said because of the trend, price is going to currently go down. I placed a trade, GBP USD, on a sell. I don't know if you can see. The first one, 2,600 on a sell, GBP USD, simply by using support and resistance. Yeah? So support and resistance is very, very important for us to understand it. Yeah? It's something that we have to practice. I'm going to keep practicing. And again, I go over it because when you go back over your 1 to 4, it will make sense what I've said over here. Yeah? It will make sense. What numbers would you have to enter? What I did is market execution. So I looked at where price was currently at and did a market execution, which was wherever price is at the moment, I'll place for a sell. Yeah? So guys, what I'm going to do is this. I want everybody, does everybody know how to place swipe trades? Does everyone know how to place swipe trades? All right. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to send you a video. I'm going to go over it. Our next session, we'll go over the 2 strategies. Yeah. So let me just send you. Okay, I'm just going to send it. Around it. All right. So this is the video. For those who don't know how to do it, watch this video. Watch this video. Yeah. And it's very important that you place them all in your demo. No one on here should be live. Live at your own risk. No one should be live. We should be practicing. Yeah. So, guys, that's it for today. I hope it's been useful. I hope for those who are ahead, it's been a good refresher. Those who are just starting, I hope it's made sense. Let's go over 1 to 4 again, but let's include technical analysis, yeah? So we're going to go over basics 1 to 4, including technical analysis. Yeah? Those of you who are ahead, those of you who have done technical analysis and started your intermediate on IML TV, I want you to watch Christopher Derrick. Those who are advanced. Those who are beginning IML TV, watch a Daisy Duncan. Yeah? Let's utilize IML TV. They're fantastic. Yeah? So this week, 3 things. Go over basics 1 to 4 and technical analysis, and make sure that you watch IML TV and you place your swipe trades. Yeah? So 1, complete basics 1 to 4 and technical analysis. 2, open broker account. 3, watch swipe trades video. 4, IML TV. Beginners, Daisy Duncan. Advanced, Christopher Derrick. All right, guys, I've got some special news announcement that I want to make to you guys. You guys are my trading crew, so I'm going to let you guys know, yeah? Number 1, guys, for those of you who don't know, we're going over to Miami, me and around 20 of us for the IML convention, yeah? I'm leaving with about 5 of us tomorrow, be there for the week. We're going to be meeting all of these guys. We're going to make sure we come back with the fire, yeah? Number 2, for those of you who don't know, Swipe Trade Master Starboy is coming to London, 26th, 27th, and 28th. All those who have an active account will sit in his trading class. It's very important that before then, we really get to intermediate 2. Yeah, we master basics 1 to 4 and technical analysis so that we can understand what he teaches. People pay thousands to be able to sit in his class, but we're gonna get it for free. The following month, we're gonna be getting another swipe trader, which I'm securing. Guys, we're gonna level up. We're gonna be printing money from our phone, but we have to consistently have a time when we're studying. Ask yourself this: how many days can I afford to study? Yeah? Yeah, 26 September. Even if it's 1 hour a day, make sure it is consistent. Consistent. Yeah? Make sure you're consistently doing it every single day. Guys, this is going to make us money. This is going to make us financially free. Let's put time. Every master was once a beginner. Don't feel lost at all. Shireen, who's in our group, she's from an English teacher. She knew nothing about trading. She came, she did the whole IML Academy in 2 weeks. 2 months ago, she sent me her trades, 3,700 in 1 week, because she used the tools. We can do it. We are going to do it. It's going to be amazing. We're going to be printing money. Yeah? So guys, we're going to be back here every Sunday for 1 hour. We're going to go over it to make sure that it's cemented in our heads so that we get it. It's going to be great. If you don't have a live account, if you haven't paid your subscription, make sure you're up to date. so you get access to the tools is very, very, very important. And one last thing, next year, I want everybody on this call to be at the international convention. When I went to Vegas, I was P600. I came back and I ranked up every month to P5000. Why? There was an energy in that room, a sense of belief that blew my mind. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Have a great week. We're here in the UK. I'll be enjoying sunny Miami. You know what I'm saying? I'll be sending y'all videos and that while we're there. You can contact me via WhatsApp. Yeah, message me. I always have my WhatsApp. Message me via WhatsApp. Guys, if you're struggling, message me. I can link up with you when I come back. We can sit down, have a one-to-one. I'm here to serve you. I want to make sure that everybody wins. We all got a huge why, and I'm here to make sure that we all win. Someone said not too many picks. Mr. Keys, I'm going to make sure I send you hundreds of picks, yeah? So guys, God bless you. Stay focused, stay committed. Write down your goals. Look at my vision board right here. Here's my vision board. Right here, a check for 1 million. Guys, my first million is going to come from trading. Right here. Right there. Kings, you're smiling. You want a million too, eh? Don't worry, you get a million. You get me. All right, guys, stay blessed. Take care.